Hi, welcome to my food blog. I am making Chinese leek today with beef short rib. Here are our ingredients. We've got our beef short rib, about 1 pound, and I'm not sure how much these weigh. These are the Chinese leeks. All of this is more than enough to eat, I don't know, maybe 4 people, I would say. So let's begin cooking. Alright, so I've cut the leeks, and I just wanted to show you that I peeled off all the ends. Over here, there were some really long ends, let me show you, like this, and it's very firm. So I just peeled them into small chunks, like this, or something more. Oh, oops, dropped one. Okay, so from this thing, we have these things now. And that's how you chop Chinese leek. Thank you. Okay, so back to Chinese leeks and short rib. I've cut the short rib here, like so. Here's your short rib. You want to definitely wash your meat, even though they've said they cleaned it like a million times. Wash your meat because of any residual whatever from the meat slicing thing. So I'm gonna get ready to marinate this. I would love to cook this actually in butter. Alright, so I'm gonna marinate it, and I usually go with my senses. If it smells right while it's raw, it'll probably taste right or even better when it's cooked, because the flavor is immersed into the meat. And I purposely left the beef at room temperature for a while. After I bought it, I just, left it on the counter to just let the meat be at room temperature and cook evenly. I'm gonna get this going. Alright, so it's white pepper time. I put in half a teaspoon, something even less maybe, because white pepper powder is a bit strong. Here's my sugar. I'm not going to overdo it, but that's like about also half a teaspoon without going overboard. Garlic. The soy and the oyster sauce. Here's the soy. Smell it. We're not going to do too much of this, but I will probably do, let's see, 1 tablespoon's worth, thereabouts. Definitely rely on your senses, because that's what you're gonna eat later. You want to make sure you enjoy it. So, smelling relatively right. Let's see here. Let me see. And I think this is pretty much good to go. Oh, a little bit of this just to make the soy not overpowering. Well, I would say that's a teaspoon that I just put in, just to blend the flavor a little bit. Okay. Never forget your oil. 1.5 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons. And let's get mixing. I'm going to mix with my handy-dandy spatula. So here we are, just mixing it, and the smells are changing by the minute because things are getting more blended together. So no spice in this dish. But if you're inclined to spice, it's up to you. It smells fantastic. Holy crap. Yeah, it smells fantastic. Let's let that sit for like 15 minutes and come back to it. It will really, really be good.